Hello, my friend. Welcome to TubeU channel. I'm Henry. All battery-powered electronic equipment has the same issue. They do not use the battery power completely. For example, this 2AAA battery-powered electronic dictionary works very well when the batteries are good. The AAA battery voltage is about 1.36 volt. After I changed one of the batteries to an older one, which the battery voltage is about 1.16 volt. The dictionary shows the message that the battery is low. You should change the battery and automatically shut down. It means that this 1.16 voltage battery will be tagged as used. This value is varied for different electronic equipment. Usually, the alkali battery is used between 1.2 volt to 1.5 volt. They actually still have more than 70% juice inside the battery, even the battery is tagged as used. This is a huge loss of energy for the battery. How to collect the remaining energy from the used battery? Today, I will tell you how to make a simple battery saver, collect the remaining energy from a used battery. Stick around. Let's go. I use an electronic module called a voltage transformer, which can raise the voltage from 0.9 to 5 volt to 5 volt. It is very cheap, about $1 per unit. The input voltage range is quite wide and the output voltage is fixed at 5 volt. Let's test how it works. Even as low as 0.8 volt, the output voltage is still about 5 volt. I designed a simple case to keep the voltage module. Add a voltage display to show the output voltage. Also, add a switch to control the display, normally off to save energy. When you see the output voltage is too low, you can increase the number of used batteries. Use this method, you can collect most of the battery juice. (3D) prints the case. Assemble them all together. Let's check if it works or not. It works very well. You can recharge the output power to a power station. Let's check if it can be used for a normal power supply. Unfortunately, this 5-volt output voltage cannot be used for normal electronic equipment directly, such as smartphone chargers, etc. The situation is quite similar to a dam to contain water. The input water is small but can continue to fill until full capacity. The use of power needs large water flow. Same situation in electronic equipment, which also needs large electric current. We can use a power station to collect or charge the power even the input current is small. In fact, the small input current is good for keeping the rechargeable battery long time use. A large charge current will damage the recharge battery. We can connect as many batteries as possible. Do not exceed 5 volts. Wait a moment. If we change the input power supply to a large battery source such as a full capacity charged 18650, which output voltage is 3.7 volt, it can be used as an old type iPhone such as 4S. But it cannot work for the new type of iPhone since the new type of smartphone support fast charge, which use a large charge current much more than 1 ampere. This simple voltage module is not good for this purpose. If we change a good module, it can work, I think. Please like and subscribe. You will not regret your choice. Also, leave your comments so we can know each other. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon again. Hope you will have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, click on the small bell so you will not miss an update. TVU channel is waiting for you.